I am studying 9th standard in Biram Sridhar Reddy International School. Today, my project is about to show that gases are more compressible than apparatus. To make this project is a water bottle with full of water and a shampoo. Now, come let us see how this experiment is going on. Now, here you can see a water bottle and a shampoo packet, and you remove the cap of a water bottle and you insert the shampoo packet inside the water bottle and you close the water bottle. Now, you can see the shampoo is floating inside the water bottle. When I am compressing, you can see that the shampoo bottle went inside. When I am releasing, it moves upwards. Now, we have to find the reason behind this, and come, let us speak. What is the reason behind this? Behind this is the compressibility. Now, let us speak. What is compressibility? Compressibility means when a matter decreasing its volume when pressure acts upon this, and the same process takes place in the experiment. When you are compressing the water bottle, the volume and decreases, and the volume which was occupied by the shampoo packet is also decreases. We know that volume is inversely proportional to density, and the density of shampoo packet increases. And we know that when an object has more density than water, it merged into the water. So same process takes place, and the shampoo packet comes at the bottom of the water bottle. And when you are releasing the water bottle, the volume increases. That means the density decreases. That's why the shampoo packet comes at the top of the bottom. And I will say another day-to-day life example. That is, when you are suffering from fever, you consult a doctor. The doctor will inject a syringe into you, and you take that syringe and you remove the piston of that syringe and you place a solid particle inside the syringe and you add pressure on the piston, and the piston does not move because the particles or the molecules or ions which are present in solid are closely packed to each other and their intermolecular space is very less. That's why the piston does not move. And in the case of liquids, if you take water and you place the water inside the syringe and you add pressure, you keep pressure on the piston and the piston moves slowly because the molecules which are present in liquid are not close than the solids. So the compressibility is also takes in liquids. In the case of gases, you fill H2 gas or any gas in the syringe and you add pressure on the piston and the piston moves freely because the particles which are present in the gas are very far away from each other, and the intermolecular space is also more between the particles. So this is the reason why the gases are more compressible than liquids. And thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Have a wonderful day.